might have went a little overboard. Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm going to be doing a Sephora haul mixed with an Ulta, because I get two things from Ulta, so I'm going to be doing that as well. So before I get into it, make sure you guys give this video a big thumbs up, comment down below, and don't be shy to hit that subscribe button, okay? Let's get this channel to 1,000. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias. It will be in the description box down below. I got a lot of things from Rare Beauty. So Selena Gomez girl, I love your brand. Okay, so the first thing that I have is the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA Pore-Tight Toner. And my mom gave me her leftover because she bought a new one using the last little bit that she had. And all I can say is that toner, y'all, that is the most hydrating toner I've ever had in my life. This is so pretty, and also it doesn't have an overwhelming smell. If you have dry skin, I think this is the perfect toner for you. I also have another Glow Recipe item. It's the Niacinamide Dew Drops, and this is for ultimate glow plus brightening. This is a nice product to use before your makeup, and even when you're not wearing makeup on those days where you just want to look a little glowy. Summer is coming up. You want that glow when you walk outside. You want to look sun-kissed. I think the bottle is just so cute. It looks like a little drop. The next two things I got are lip balms, and this one is Nearly Neutral by Rare Beauty and Nearly Mauve. I really love neutral colors, and I was like, nearly neutral, okay. So it looks like this, and I love the smells of their stuff. I got an eyeshadow brush because I don't have that many eyeshadow brushes in my collection. So I just got the Rare Beauty eyeshadow brush. It looks like this, and yeah. I never had a liquid that was made for eyeshadow, if that makes sense. So I had to try it out. This is in Nearly Rose. Hopefully this looks good on my eyes. When I first got the package, I had like opened it up and I was like, oh, I probably should do a haul. So this is what it looks like. The packaging, look at this. It is so cute. It reminds me of like the old vintage makeup for some reason. Like the packaging is just so small. It's like a little circle. You open it up, it has a little mirror, and look at this, the way it sits. It's just a perfect circle. I don't even want to touch it, but I already have blush, so it won't make sense for me to swatch it. But this is what Nearly Berry looks like if you guys want to try it. I think this is going to be perfect for my skin tone. So yeah, that's that one. And this one is in Nearly Rose. So this one's gonna be a little pinker, but it's not too pink. You see what I mean? All the blushes in my room right now are red and just hot pink. And I'm like, okay, no, I need to calm down and find a blush that just looks nice, not too bright, and just flows right. You know what I mean? I just can't wait to try this blush out. So yeah. And if you guys want any videos of me trying out Rare Beauty, let me know, because now I have all of these items. If you have any products that you see in this haul that you want me to review or anything like that, let me know. I definitely would love to film it for you guys. We're gonna go ahead and go on to Ulta because I only got two things from Ulta. I got the Morphe Hint Skin Tint. This is what this one looks like. And then I have the e.l.f. Putty Blush in Bali. So I might do a TikTok review on this product. So that was my Sephora haul plus a little mini Ulta haul. I got a lot of Rare Beauty stuff because I feel like Rare Beauty is just so lightweight and so natural. Like I've been loving like more glowy and just hydrating makeup lately, and Rare Beauty definitely fulfills that for me. Like I said, if you guys want me to review anything or do a makeup video with Rare Beauty, let me know. But I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching, and I will talk to you in my next video. Bye guys.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper.